I just made the biggest score of my entire eBay career. Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. I'm still shaking. I just made the biggest score of my entire postcard on eBay career, if you will. Okay, let me give you the breakdown on it. Okay, I was on my eBay account today, and I needed to buy some cards, so I went into my eBay account where it shows my sales, and I wanted to try to figure out exactly what cards, what states for postcards was selling the best. And I made a small list of all the states that were regular sales, and I found out that California was number one. About 75 to 80% of my sales recently have been from California. So I'm like, okay. So I went on eBay, and what I did was I did a search for, I usually buy cards in like 50 lots, 100 lots, sometimes 25 lots, usually not more than 100. So I went on eBay and I typed in, what did I type in? I typed in postcard 25 lot California. Okay. Nothing really came up. So I'm like, okay, I'll try 50. A couple of things came up, but nothing fantastic. Nothing was really working for me. So then I went to 100. Okay. And still, a couple things came up. There were some nice lots, but I'm like, I wasn't feeling it, So then what I did was I just typed in huge lot postcard California. And the first one that came up, guys, I almost literally fell out of my chair. Okay. Because usually when I see lots this big, they come with a pretty hefty price tag as well. But what it was a gentleman who had 100% positive feedback, which was great, was selling, I hope you're sitting down for this, he was selling a lot of 700, yeah, you heard that right, not 25, not 50, not 100, 700 California postcards. All different eras. There were some chromes in there, pre-linens, linens. I think there were some white borders in there too. All different eras, and all California. And I didn't even have to, break out a calculator to try to do the math. I was so excited about it. I said, that's got to be about 10 to 15 cents a card. And normally I like to go somewhere in between 10 and 25 cents. So I'm like, that's perfect. And I got it. Let me tell you what I got and what price I paid. Because like I said before, when you usually see a lot that big, they usually want 50, 60, 70 cents a card, which is usually, equals out to about maybe, $350, $400, $500, What he did was he started his listing as not only a bid, but a buy it now as well. He had both. So the opening bid was $59.95, but then the buy it now was only $79.95, $20 more. Okay? And I'm like, and if you know anything about eBay, you know that if somebody comes in and places an opening bid of, like, say, $59.95, that buy it now goes away. It's gone. You no longer have an opportunity to buy it now because now it becomes a bidding war. So I had to jump on this, and I bought it, because I didn't want to lose this. And just I got my my phone here. I'm just going to do some calculations here real quick. I just want to show you this. This is why I'm still shaking. Bring up my calculator here. See, I don't count the shipping because I always make money on the shipping because I pay so little on it. With the eBay standard envelope system, I pay like 51 cents or 71 cents. So I don't even tabulate the shipping costs. So let's say it was $79.95 divided by 700. Oh goodness. That's about 11 cents a card, guys. Check that out. Can you see that okay? I hope it focuses okay. 11.42. So it's about between 11 and 12 cents a card. And guys, no joke, I flip these kind of cards on eBay just about every day for anywhere between $5 and $10 each. I'm only going to have like 15 sales before I recoup the money that I invested. So I'm just, like I said, I'm just still, when I told my wife about this, she was like, yeah, let's do it, and like I said, we transferred the money and we got it, and he'll probably ship that out on Monday. Today's Saturday, so he'll probably ship that on Monday priority, and they'll get here middle of next week. Maybe I'll do a unboxing. I've never done one of those before. So, but I'm just so thrilled because, he wasn't like most sellers. A lot of sellers, what they do when they have large lots like that, they just stick everything in the box and take one picture of the box and say, here it is, But the thing is, he took like 12 different pictures with like 20 cards on each picture. He shot about 200, I could actually look at about 200 of those cards. And he did a really good job, and I was just so thrilled, and I paid for it, and I'm sure he's going to be happier than a pig in sunshine when he comes home today and sees almost $100 in his account. But I'm even happier because I know what these can sell for, and because they're all California, I'm very excited about the possibility of these selling. So I just thought I'd share that with you. Sometimes when you see deals like that on eBay, you just gotta act. Because like I said, if I had waited, this was a 10-day auction, and it still had 7 days left on the auction. I noticed, the auction part still said it had 7 days and so many hours. And I'm like, well, this has already been up for 3 days, and nobody's been on it. So I bought it, and I got it, and it's coming next week, and I'm just thrilled. So I just thought I'd share that with you. If you got anything out of this video, make sure you smash that like button. And yeah. I can't even talk. I'm just so excited. But you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.